Hello everyone, welcome to Archilab. In this video, we see the Fooocus AI. Go to the google.com and search Fooocus AI. Click on the first link, which has URL related to GitHub. Now you are in the GitHub directory of Fooocus. You can scroll down and check the Windows installer. In this video, we are not installing Fooocus on our machine. Instead, we are going to use Google Colab, virtual environment, and create unlimited generation. Let's click on the Google Colab. Once the Google Colab open, click on the upper right corner to connect with Google GPU. Once the connecting is done, click the play icon. This process will take 2 to 3 minutes to install all the necessary file to virtual environment. Now you can see local URL and public URL. Click on the public URL. This will open in a new window. As you can see now, we have Fooocus successfully running on Google Colab without using local system resources. This link will active to 72 hours and you can enjoy unlimited SDXL image generation.